Alright, I am so excited. I just got a surprise package in the mail. Well, okay, not really a surprise, but I've been waiting on my Patterns of Fashion 5 book to come in, and I got the confirmation email when I ordered it, but I didn't get any shipping information, so I was sort of starting to wonder, like, did they ship it? Did they not ship it? When do I need to, like, contact them and ask them about it? And then I went down to my front office today and picked up packages, and here it is. I also was so excited. I started like screaming, like dancing around in my kitchen, and I started to rip it open, and then I thought, oh wait, no, I should film this. I should really film myself opening it. So here you guys go. Let me turn this around. All right, so here you guys can see this is where I started to rip it open and thought, oh wait, I even started to rip it open before I noticed this. Look how cool this is. They've stamped the package. Thank you. And then look how cute this is. It's like a little 18th century lady, like walking her dog. Adorable. Ah, here it is. Might need scissors for this. Hold that thought. Alright, this is like the most exciting thing to ever happen. It has like all these like paintings with then like pictures of extant garments and stuff. I don't know if it's the actual garments that were worn in these or just like similar ones. And it has like all these close-up shots so you can see construction details. Alright, this is like the most exciting thing to ever happen. I'm so tempted to just like sit in front of the camera and read through all of it, but that would probably be really boring. Oh, this is just so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this embroidery. Oh my gosh. Look at that, like how detailed it is, and like the silver thread on like the blue. See, everything is like laid out like on a grid so that then you can go and like enlarge it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is just so cool. Oh, it's so cool. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at this. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it away. I'm putting it over there so I stop looking at it.